Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome to Motor Vlog number 5. I am on my way to the meeting point at the Ambience Toll. Today's ride program is we're going to be riding to Murthal via KMP. It's going to be a really long ride. We call this the Paratha and Jalebi ride because we end up at Murthal and go to a dhaba and eat parathas and jalebi and stuff. I'm not too sure if I'll be going all the way to Murthal or if I turn around from Badli, which is our usual turning point. We'll take a call once I meet the group and we decide how many are going ahead and how many are going to turn around. I also wanted to thank the overwhelming response that I'm getting on Instagram, from a few 500 followers to almost 5,500 followers within a matter of 10 days, 2 weeks. It's good. It's very nice. It's overwhelming. Thank you. I shall keep making these such content, and I will try and be a little more frequent. Though once a week is still. Is a big thing for me. Doing it every Sunday. I don't think I've ever been for a ride 5 Sundays in a row since I've been riding a bike. But anyway, this vlogging thing keeps me going, and of course I enjoy riding. So I've reached the meeting point, and I see a lot of bikers today. A lot of groups. Hi, how are you? Hi. Can Dogs up?
How are you, buddy?
Very well, ji. Good. तेरी बाइक ठीक हो गई?
हाँ, वो धक्का मार के हो गई ना स्टार्ट।
Hi, Bush. I wasn't sure राइड कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे, तभी फ़ोन नहीं किया।
मैसेज ही नहीं आया कोई।
मैं पता ही नहीं था ना कर रहे हो कि नहीं। नहीं मैं। Sach Kaza, how are you? How are you, sir? Very well.
But sexy vlogs, man. Vlog. At least we are saying.
Have you?
Sexy, I love it.
You've seen the.
I've seen all of them.
You've seen the long ones, or you've just seen the short ones?
I kind of skipped. Then I would have seen the whole thing.
Cool, cool. How are you, sir? Long time. So we're starting the ride from here now, on our way to KMP. We've got a lot of people today. I think we should be at least 30-40 bikers. We'll try and introduce you to some old ones who've come after a long time on the way. And I will get to Badli, which is usually a turning point, and then decide if I want to move on to Murthal or not, because I did meet a few other fellow riders who plan to turn around from there and head back home. So let's see how much time we make it to Badli, and we'll take a decision. I'm back. So picking up from my last vlog number 4, I had mentioned about my Hayabusa, which I picked up in 2011. I modified it, and I mentioned that I'd speak a little about that modification. Don't go into the detail, it'll get a little boring. But anyway, so the Hayabusa was I picked it up from the Lajpat showroom in 2011. That was my second legal bike after the Bandit. Like I said earlier, Bandit was the stepping stone, and finally got the Hayabusa. I probably was the first one at that time in the country to get an extended swing arm. Extensions actually, not an extended swing arm, extensions to the swing arm, which would extend the entire swing arm by about I think 8 to 12 inches. It could be adjusted by a company called Roaring Toys. And of course that I also replaced the tire, and I upped the size to a 200 because after extending the swing arm I got some extra room for a slightly larger tire. I could have gone bigger on the tire, but didn't want to, and I didn't want to kind of jeopardize the riding and handling of the bike. I also had the entire bike, so I'll put pictures again before and after. So my bike was the typical black and red Hayabusa that came then, mostly black with red orange decals and stickers on it. I had so what I did was that all the plastic panels on the side of the bike and all the black parts of the bike, exposed dark parts, I got them chrome painted, red chrome painted, just to match the entire bike. Got the entire console done, got the side panels done, got the rear done. Again, you'll see it in the pictures. Apart from this was cosmetic, typically change of lights and everything, you can do all that. Apart from cosmetic changes were plenty, I had also changed the exhaust from the stock to a 4x1 Yoshimura R55 Hayabusa edition. Again, I think I was one of the first ones to get that exhaust imported into the country. And the Hayabusa's got a typical sound, engine sound and driving sound. It's not like a later bike, it's more bassy, and the louder the exhaust you get, it just becomes louder and bassy. But the R55 Yoshi, which is 4x1, changed the entire sound of the bike. It sounded like a hyper liter bike, not screechy loud, bassy, but an awesome sound. Anyway, I was pretty excited. Of course, the typical Power Commander, and there was a tuner also, one of those flash tuners, so which converted into a stage 1. Anyway, a lot of people told me that you lose the handling of the bike with the extensions to the swing arm. So what had happened was that at the same time, around that time, it was 22nd of April 2012. Both international circuit had been operational for a while, though there were no events happening then because it was fairly new. And our group with Vic and a few other people planned a track day, which was the first motorcycle bikes super sport bike track day at Vic, official track day. And I was one of the few who got to attend the track day and participate in it. Before going for the track day, a lot of people told me that don't take the Hayabusa with the extensions, get the extensions removed and take it as a stock bike, stock as in without the extensions, so that you don't have any issues in handling and cornering, because typically on track everybody knows that speeds are really high and you take the corners really fast. So I didn't listen to anybody. I kept the bike as it was, fully modified, left the extensions on, and I went on the track, and the bike performed beautifully. It handled extremely well. It took the corners. I'll again try and post some pictures of the bike on the track. I really enjoyed it. In fact, a lot of people, once we finished, we had I think 2 or 3 sessions. Once we finished the first session, people who were around me, riding around me on the track, told me that the bike, you were riding it well on the track, and it seemed to handle really well. Of course, I'd never ridden on a track before. I had no clue of how to stick my knee to the ground and lean properly. Though I did try. I'd seen a lot of MotoGP, so you know you watch and learn. So I did try and practice what I had seen. But I think on the whole it was a good ride, and it was fun owning that machine. More later. I've been talking for a bit now, and I should catch up in a bit. Cheers. Heading to KMP now from Manesar Toll. By the way, this is Dr. Gaurav. I'm 6'2". I think Dr. Gaurav must be 7'2". He's really tall. Sorry, Dr. Gaurav. I was just kidding. He's not 7'2", he's 7 feet tall. Mr. Sumit Mehra on his 10R. I thought he'd probably get his GTR today, considering he's going to be riding all the way to Murthal. He's been away from the rides for a while now. I guess he was getting a little antsy-pantsy. I wanted to zip around, so decided to get his 10R. How are you, sir? Mr. Anuj Sani. For those who don't know who he is, you can check him out. I was just introducing you.
I'm on the vlog.
You're on the vlog. When he comes up to switch it off. Otherwise, there are too many beeps. Zoib on his Fireblade. Usually you get to see him on his multi-starter. So I've got the drone all hooked up. Let's see. Hi. So I'm at Bhatli. The group has moved on to Murthal. Few have turned around, I think before me, and I am now heading back. I did manage to take some drone footage. We'll try and upload it, and I hope it turns out a bit cinematic. Time to move. Heading back home now. Time to say goodbye. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching motovlog number 5. Keep spreading the love on Instagram, and please do start spreading some love on YouTube as well. I will see you next weekend with another vlog, another outing, and I shall discuss and let you know about my bike after the Hayabusa, which was the Suzuki Intruder. I picked it up in 2013, extremely heavily modified. I think it was the only one of its kind in the country. Well, again, details in my next vlog. Till then, you guys take care. Have a good week, have a good Sunday. I will catch you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and keep spreading the love. Take care guys. Cheers. Bye.